Question of the day is, show that the semi-vertical angle of a cone of given total surface and maximum volume is sine inverse of 1 by 3. So you are given a cone. Let us make a cone and you are given the surface area of this cone. Let h be the height of the cone, r be the radius of the cone and l be the slant height of the cone. Let alpha be the semi-vertical angle of the cone. Let alpha be the semi-vertical angle of the cone. अगर अल्फा सेमी वर्टिकल एंगल है देन यू हैव टू शो दैट अल्फा इज इक्वल्स टू साइन इनवर्स ऑफ 1 by 3. This you have to show, and when the volume is maximum, you are also given the surface area of the cone. So surface area will be pi r l plus pi r square. Now you are given the surface area. Let us take this as first statement. Now we have to maximize the volume. So volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now for maximizing a function, that function should be in one variable, but v is a function of r and h in two variables. So first of all replace h. So volume can be written as pi by 3 r. H can be written as L square minus R square. L square minus R square. And now you can easily find out the value of L from this given surface area. So from here you can replace the value of L, and your L is s minus pi r square upon pi r. आप L को रिप्लेस कर लो यहाँ से. Now V will become a function pi by 3 r, and this can be written as a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square, b is r, minus 2s upon pi minus r square. R square will cancel out, and your volume will become a function pi by 3 r square root of s square minus pi square r square minus 2s by pi. Now you can easily see that for maximizing and minimizing a function you have to differentiate it twice, but this function will take time to differentiate twice. So, and the extreme points will remain same if the function is squared out. So we are going to maximize v square now. We will maximize v square. So v square will also be a function of r, and that will be pi square upon 9 r square into s square upon pi square r square minus 2s upon pi. Now this can also be written as, अगर आप पाई स्क्वायर आर स्क्वायर कॉमन ले लेते हैं एंड दिस विल कैंसिल आउट, और s कॉमन निकाल लेते हैं, देन s बाय 9 एंड s माइनस यहाँ से पाई स्क्वायर आर स्क्वायर, तो पाई एस स्क्वायर पाई आर स्क्वायर आपका यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई होगा, अभी आर स्क्वायर आपको यहाँ पर और लिखना है. नाउ योर फंक्शन ऑफ r will become s upon 9 s r square minus 2 pi r raised to power 4. Now for find the extreme points, you have to differentiate it once, and the derivative of this with respect to r is 2sr minus 8 pi r cube. Now for extreme points, you are going to put it as 0. So this will be 0, will imply that 2 pi r is equals to 8 pi r cube. That implies your r square will be s by 4 pi, and your r will be equals to root of s by 4 pi, and this is your critical point. Now you have to check whether this is a point of maximum or minimum. So let us find out the second derivative. The second derivative is s by 9 2s minus 24 pi r square. So second derivative at this particular point, root of s upon 4 pi will be s by 9 2s minus r square is s by 4 pi, and this will give you 6s, and this is minus 4 s square by 9, which is negative. That implies r is equals to root of s by 4 pi is a point of maximum, and your volume is maximum at this point. Now your question is, you have to find, when your volume is maximum, you have to find the semi-vertical angle. So let us try to find out the semi-vertical angle. So semi-vertical angle find out करने के लिए you are going to solve 1 and 2. Your first statement is s is equals to pi rl plus pi r square, and your second is the critical point, that is s is equals to 4 pi r square. Now if you are going to solve it, 4 pi r square will be equals to, इन दोनों को आप एक साथ सॉल्व करते हैं तो s को रिप्लेस कर दो 4 pi r square से, pi rl plus pi r square, and that is 3 pi r square is equals to pi rl. Now pi will cancel out, r will cancel out, 3r is equals to l. Now to find out the angle alpha, let us take a relation between r and l. So r upon l is equals to 1 by 3. What is r upon l? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse will give you sine of alpha is equals to 1 by 3, and your alpha will come out sine inverse of 1 by 3, and that is what you have to show.